Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable topics in your Telegram group on the PC app, following the latest update. If you're an admin looking to simplify your group chat and return to a classic, single-threaded conversation, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed for the smoothest experience. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change the group's topic settings, so double-check your permissions if you don't see the right options. Now, look to the top right corner of your group chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. This opens a drop-down menu with various management options. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you into the group's settings panel where you can control everything from permissions to appearance. Inside the group management settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Topics. Here, you'll notice a toggle switch that controls whether topics are enabled or disabled in your group. To turn off topics, simply click the toggle so it's switched off. Once you've disabled topics, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Telegram will now remove the topics feature from your group, and all conversations will go back to a single chat thread, just like before topics were introduced. That's all it takes. Disabling topics can help keep your group chat straightforward and easy to follow, especially if you prefer one continuous conversation instead of multiple threads. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might want to make the same change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Telegram group experience.